this video, I'm going to tell you the 10 best foods that are guaranteed to help you lose fat and step up your fitness goals. This way, you can enjoy a healthier, happier life. Many of us want to get rid of our belly fat or just any unwanted fat, and general exercise is one effective way to do that. But before you sweat it out, you should first consider the foods you put into your mouth. Strictly speaking, it's not necessary to put yourself on a diet when losing fat and weight. The most sustainable method, not to mention the safest, is to include more whole, unprocessed, and high-quality foods into your diet. With the right foods, they can help alleviate hunger, boost metabolism, and more importantly, promote fat burning. Does eating eggs help encourage fat loss? What about chili peppers? How beneficial are they? Stay tuned until the last second, and I'll show you what's my favorite food to eat for fat burn. Number 1, Greek yogurt. Besides being a delicious food, Greek yogurt has been scientifically proven to aid in the fat burning process. Granted that it's the full-fat variety, full-fat Greek yogurt that's conjugate-gated linoleic acid, or CLA, that promotes fat-burning. Nutrients found in yogurt like vitamin D and amino acids also speed up fat burning. According to research, another reason is that it contains probiotics, which support good gut bacteria, a key component in any weight loss program. In the case of overweight individual, seeding probiotics is especially vital since they're likely to have imbalanced gut bacteria. Such an imbalance makes it harder to shed fats overall. Moreover, yogurt contains different types of protein, including casein and whey. In fact, Greek yogurt does twice as much as regular yogurt. Thanks to the high protein quality of yogurt, it brings about weight loss related benefits like appetite control, neutralizing hunger, and lowering overall food intake. Not to mention the body calories digesting protein than carbs. When choosing your yogurt, always go for plain yogurt and steer clear of flavored or sweetened low-fat varieties, as they are typically laced with added sugars and other additives. Suffice it to say, Greek yogurt is one heck of a powerhouse in addition to being a great fat loss food. But if you want a much cheaper food then consider number 2, eggs. Eggs are brimming with high-quality protein and nutrient that boosts metabolic rate by about 20 to 35% for several hours after eating. Protein is also important for building and maintaining muscle mass, and the more muscle you have, the more metabolically active you'll be. A single as 7 grams of protein, along with other essential nutrients like fat and vitamins, and ingesting fat and protein keeps you full longer, while your body slowly breaks down those macronutrients. It's why eating eggs is so filling. Eggs are high in cholesterol. However, scientific research and evidence have come to one conclusion, and that is the fact that eating eggs doesn't cause high cholesterol in the body. Rather, the dietary cholesterol, it's the saturated fat that you should be looking out for. With all those in mind, consider eating 3 eggs several times a week to facilitate the burning of fat while keeping you full and satisfied. Additionally, to maximize the nutrient content of eggs, avoid conventional eggs and buy only certified organic pastured eggs, preferably from a local farmer. Number 3, nuts. Nuts are more than just delicious on-the-go nibbles. They are an amazing source of magnesium and healthy fats, specifically almonds. And speaking of almonds, they make a perfect snack if you're looking to lose weight and burn fat. According to a study on overweight individuals, those who ate almonds as part of a low-calorie diet lost 50% more fat overall, and around 18% of their weight, compared to 11% lost by the other test group. Nuts are also rich in protein, meaning they require more energy to digest, which in turn can rev up the metabolism and calorie burning process. Although nuts are incredibly nutritious, they are high in fats, albeit mainly healthy fats. Still, they must be eaten in moderation. For hair benefits, totally shine through. Chili peppers are another excellent fat-burning food, but more on that coming up. Number 4, apple cider vinegar. I'm sure you've all heard of the various perks of consuming apple cider vinegar, ACV. This ancient folk remedy is commonly known to help reduce appetite and lower blood sugar and insulin levels in diabetic people. But more importantly, acetic acid, the main component of vinegar, has been shown to improve fat burning and reduce belly fat storage in numerous animal studies. While there's not much human research about this, the results from one study are already promising. In this study, 144 obese men who took 2 tablespoons of vinegar alongside their regular diets every day for 12 weeks lost 3.7 pounds and reported a 0.9% reduction in body fat. Moreover, ACV may help prevent weight gain by reducing sugar cravings due to its acetic acid component. It even works as a natural detox and balances the stomach's pH. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, though, so it's best to dilute it in water. To start, add a teaspoon of ACV in a glass of water and gradually work up to 2 tablespoons per day. But if you're looking for a spice to aiding fat loss, then you should be trying number 5, cinnamon. Cinnamon contains an essential oil called cinnamaldehyde, which can help burn fat similar to capsaicin in chili. This oil stimulates thermogenesis, and as I've said before, this process is a great environment for the body to burn calories. This spice also has other fat-burning benefits. For starters, cinnamon helps balance blood sugar levels, therefore helping stop fat storage in the body. Imbalanced blood sugar levels sending insulin into overdrive in an effort to remove glucose from a high-sugar carb diet and push it into the safety of the fat cells. So sprinkle some cinnamon on your coffee smoothie. Oatmeal or yogurt number 6, salmon and other oily fish, cutting out fats completely from your diet isn't the most ideal solution to shedding fats. Not only is this ineffective, but it's also unhealthy. What you should be doing instead is to eat the right saturated fats and go for polyunsaturated ones. And one outstanding source of these is salmon, or any of your preferred oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are plenty in salmon, reduce inflammation and promote fat burning. Additionally, salmon is packed with high-quality protein, which is beneficial for weight and fat loss, as the body has to work extra harder to digest protein. You'll also get vitamin D, vitamin potassium, phosphorus, selenium, and more from salmon. These nutrients may help boost brain function and mood, immunity, and bone health. Selenium in particular is essential for a healthy thyroid. Your thyroid plays a major role in having an efficient metabolism. Other oily fish is like sardines, tuna, mackerel, and helibaterial, so great choices, by the way, friends. Aside from enhancing fat loss, salmon is also great for improving your focus and productivity. Know what other foods there are in a little bit. Number 7, chili peppers. Chili peppers offer more than just the spiciness factored. They also assist in weight and fat loss. Capsaicin is a flavorless chemical found in hot peppers. It's what adds heat to food. This chemical helps curb appetite and slightly speed up metabolism, albeit for just a short time. Nevertheless, because of the thermogenesis effect of chilies, eating them causes the body to burn about 50 calories per day. Thermogenesis works by raising your body temperature, and people are likely to earn more calories just by being warm. In addition, eating chili peppers promote fullness and prevent overeating. If you cannot stomach eating chili peppers, consider adding powdered cayenne pepper to your meals several times a week. Unfortunately, not many are fond of chili peppers, or any spicy foods for that matter. If you're one of those, then you'll definitely love number 8, whole grains. Adding plethora of hearty whole grains to your diet can help with fat loss. Think oats, quinoa, brown rice, and bulgur wheat. This is because whole grains are high in fiber. Fiber accounts for a huge amount of space in the stomach and absorbs water. As such, eating fiber-rich foods causes you to feel satisfied, despite them being low in calories. This also aids in maintaining a healthy bowel by preventing constipation and bloating. Furthermore, based on studies, our search group who ate whole grains lost more body fat than those who continued eating refined grains. The same group also experienced significant belly fat loss. Oats are an excellent source of plant-based protein, with more than 8 grams in every 23 cup of dry oats. Just make sure to get tons wheat and rolled oat bran or cut oats for maximum benefits. You can also choose your own toppings such as nuts, seeds, vanilla, and cocoa for a more flavorful oatmeal. My favorite toppings are chocolate chips, almonds, and chia seeds. They're the best and extremely nutritious too. What about you? Comment your answers below. Number 9, broccoli and other cruciferous veggies. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber nutrients, thus promoting fat burn. Broccoli contains calcium, a mineral good for the joints and weight loss. What's more, researchers found that calcium controls show fat is processed and stored in the body. Specifically, the more calcium a fat cell has, the more fat that cell will burn. Similarly, another group of scientists discovered that the chemical sulforaphane found in broccoli is key to fighting fat gains. Such a chemical not only promotes the speeding up of metabolism, but also helps counter the bloat after a considerably salty meal. In case you aren't aware, steaming broccoli is the best way to get the most out of the superfood's fat-burning benefits. The body absorbs the nutrients of steamed broccoli more efficiently, plus cruciferous vegetables are remarkably low in calories, so feel free to chow down on. It's another food that's amazing at fat burn. Just small but mighty. Number 10, chia seeds. Chia seeds are powerful in many ways, and it's mostly because of their protein and fiber content. Loaded with fiber, eating them helps you feel full, preventing overeating. Another reason is that chia seeds expending water. Thus, when non-soaked, they grow in the stomach, take up more space, and act as a natural appetite suppressant. And because these seeds are rich in protein, they help increase energy and give you more endurance power to persevere in your workout and hopefully pack more muscles. Remember, the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolic rate is and the more calories you burn. Flax and hemp seeds are good alternatives too for those that stayed until the end with me. Here's the thing I promised you about my favorite food for fat loss: blueberries. Who doesn't love blueberries? There's wheat, an area healthy way of satisfying your sweet cravings for just a fraction of the calories you get from brownies and cookies. Blueberries are also high in water and fiber, helping you feel full longer. Best of all, they are phenomenal for fat burning. Especially belly fat animal study on rats found that those who consumed adiatrich and blueberries lost abdominal fat. Having a healthy body is a step in the right direction. But here's the thing, you can achieve an even better version of yourself by boosting your productivity and concentration. To do that, make sure to watch this next video. That'll tell you which foods are best for it. Thank you.